here today. I know that this was supposed to be last week and we had to defer it because of the typhoon. And I'm so thankful that INC decided to stop their rally yesterday. Everybody's here, so thank you so much for being here. As Boss Mark mentioned, that this is our HQ, and the reason why we invited all of you here and have decided to do the event here is because this is where everything starts. The idea, the strategy, and we make sure that we form our ideas here and everything comes to life. So I'm so happy to see our media partners, our influencers, our potential small business partners here because we really wanted to introduce the Allbirds brand story. I believe that this brand has so much potential, and the only way that we'll be able to appreciate the brand is to hear how it started and what it is all about. So today, we're excited to introduce Allbirds to you. Allbirds is a brand that shares one great philosophy. As Mark mentioned, it's about creating better things in a better way. A better way that is beneficial for our planet, the planet that we live in and the planet that we share. So how did the Allbirds story started? The Allbirds story started when our founder, Tim Brown, from New Zealand, so some people have been asking me where this brand originated. It's from New Zealand, but our HQ is in San Francisco in USA. So Tim Brown, our founder, is a soccer player, and he's also part of the 2010, the soccer team in New York, and the World Cup team as well. So he was thinking, how about we make shoes out of merino wool? Because merino wool is a very interesting material. It's very soft, it's renewable, and it's incredibly comfortable. So he teamed up with an entrepreneur, Joey Zwillinger, and they toyed with an idea of creating a shoe. And the very first shoe of Allbirds was actually born. So I had a shoe here earlier. I think someone grabbed it away, but I'm going to show you later. The Allbirds' first shoe was the Wool Runner. So that was the very first shoe that ever came out. And after that, we came up with so much styles already, with a Tree Runner, so this is the Wool Runner. So this is the iconic very first shoe that we ever released. So if you see the upper, it's made of merino wool. So it's very interesting because all of the materials that are used here are sustainable. So after this, we created the Tree Runner, the Dashers, the Gliders, and so much more. And if you see the products at our stores, you'll see that somehow they might look sort of similar in terms of silhouette, but if you go up close and touch the materials, they're all different. So to share the material story, apart from merino wool, we also have the eucalyptus fiber. We also use a lot of different materials such as castor oil and sugar cane. So like you will never imagine that you can use sugar cane to produce a shoe, right? And even the shoelaces, they came from the plastic bottles, recycled plastic bottles. So all of them are thoughtfully crafted and thoughtfully made. So why is it such why is our belief like that? So the company is a certified B Corp, which means that everything that they do is very intentional. From the materials, from the product, from their HQ, they partner with different companies to make sure that they use regenerative electricity and energy because they wanted to lessen the carbon footprint. So in the fashion industry, brands really use a lot of carbon footprint, and we wanted to eradicate that. And the vision is by 2030, we should be able to eradicate the use of carbon footprint by half. So that is the vision, and they wanted to influence also other brands to do the same. So after the merino wool, after the Wool Runner, we came up with a lot of shoes that you see right here. And today, we are already available globally in more than 29 countries. So private group of companies, as Mark mentioned, that we are in 5 markets right now: Philippines, Malaysia, Singapore, Indonesia, and we also have, of course, Thailand. And there's one more market that's upcoming in 2026, so we're very excited for that. So what truly sets us apart is not just how the shoes are made, but also because of how it makes people feel. So the reason why we also wanted to highlight the comfort is that Allbirds has been named as the world's most comfortable shoes by Time magazine. So it's one feature that we're truly proud of. That's why we're also encouraging everybody to put on the shoes in their feet, because when you feel the comfort and you feel the difference, that's really how you appreciate the brand so much more. So around the room, we when you first enter, you'll see different art panels. So those are all telling the Allbirds story and material story, so you'll be able to appreciate it more. And also for SS26, you'll see our collection right here. So we have the cruiser in canvas. We have the tree breezer, which is, I think, very popular. A lot of you are taking photos of it. So this is the new ballerina that we're going to release. That's a little pointed. It's really comfortable. You can take the insole out. You can throw the entire thing in the washing machine, wash it, and it will come out still the same in terms of quality. So we're quite excited with this. And of course, we have new colors of the dashers. The gliders are bestseller. And we also have the jersey. So this is a new material that we're using also. If you touch it, it's really soft. It feels like pillow on your feet. So I encourage you to touch and feel the product up close. So yeah, today we're very proud to share our collection, our story, and of course, the product attributes that we have. And we wanted to emphasize that, of course, at Allbirds, comfort isn't just a feeling, but it's also a philosophy. So it's about walking through lighter, both on your feet and on the earth. And we believe that sustainability shouldn't be a compromise in everything that we do. So as you explore HQ and as you do the activity today, I hope that you'll get to know more about this brand, what it stands for, and subsequently also try to visit our store so that you can appreciate the brand so much more. So thank you so much for being part of the journey with us. We're looking forward to so much that we can do together as partners, and as we are here together in this mission of really advocating for sustainability. So yeah, let's keep looking forward and of course comfortably, consciously, and always by nature. So thank you so much.